We are seeing these are the most commonly abused drugs in our country. We've got crystal meth, which is the drug of the concern.
Assistant Inspector Tendai Muchengi from the Zimbabwean Police's Drugs and Substance Abuse Fighting Unit showcases an array of the drugs they encounter on a daily basis.
We also have excess tablets. These tablets, which are popularly being used by our youth, especially in their vuzu parties or sexy parties. We move on to these cough syrups. We've got some bronchclear cough syrup. They are not registered.
The African continent has seen rise in trafficking of illicit drugs over the last 3 decades, resulting in a spillover of international drug trafficking flows to local markets and worsening drug use harms.
Almost 292 million people, or roughly 1 in 18 people, use a drug in 2022. 20% more than a decade earlier when we looked at statistics. Globally, substance abuse is a leading cause of crime and contributes to poverty, dysfunctional families, and communities. The burden of disease, injury, and premature death are alarming.
Many young people in Zimbabwe are increasingly turning to drugs to escape social problems. President Emmerson Mnangagwa believes his country needs to fight the scourge.
Abuse has become a significant public health, socio-economic and national security challenge, as well as potential threat to the country's development trajectory. It also has far-reaching consequences on drug users, such as poor health, social and economic problems, as well as psychosocial effects among a range of negative outcomes. This scourge knows no bounds. It is affecting all socioeconomic levels and across religious groupings, destroying lives and destroying families. This public health concern is further undermining the social fabric of our beautiful nation, particularly the youth, who are productive segments of our economy.
In a bid to combat the new growing challenge of drug and substance abuse in the country and create a safer and healthier future for its citizens, Zimbabwe launched the multi-sectoral drug and substance abuse plan. It calls for the strengthening of supply chain disruption and the destruction of raw materials used for the production of illicit drugs and substances. Khumalo, SABC News.